Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to talk about Spring Data JPA. So in Spring Data JPA, as we know that we have various types of relationships and what we call as a mapping. So in this video we are going to talk about one-to-one unidirectional mapping. So what actually is one-to-one unidirectional mapping? So here one entity is related to exactly one instance of another entity, and the relationship is navigable from one entity to the other, but not the other way around. So let's understand this with an example. Here we can see we have two entities called products and stock. Okay, so one product has exactly one instance of a stock, like as for example a product can be like a keyboard, a laptop, a mouse, or anything. So one product has only one stock, like for laptop, if I am selling a laptop and laptop has a price, and what is the quantity, what is the stock quantity, and what is the stock status. So status can be like in stock, out of stock, or pending, or anything whatever we want to do. Okay, so this is what exactly is one-to-one unidirectional mapping. So I have done the code. Let me show you the code how it is and how it works. Means like we'll do the various operations like add, update, delete, get, everything we will do it. Okay, so let's jump into the code without any further delay. Okay, and this is the code I have already done it, and I will show the files, and well, I will update the code. I will upload my code in my GitHub, and I will give the link in the description. But anyways, let me go through the code. So we are using Spring 3.4.1, 3.4.2, Java 17, but whatever Java 21 also you can choose. Spring's JPA, MySQL we are using starter web and nothing else. And let me show you the application YAML. Okay, so this is the database connection. It is very simple. Okay, and let me show you the entity. So this is the product entity, products. This is the ID, product name, and product price, and here you can see one-to-one, and fetch type is eager. Okay, and cascade is equal to all. What cascade is equal to all is like whatever operation we do it on a product, the same thing will be applied, equivalent or whatever we set on the stock entity will be applied there. If we want to delete products, automatically the related stocks will be deleted. If we insert on the products and the related stocks, whatever we set will be inserted, and same stands for update as well. And fetch type is eager, is if we try to search a product, all the related stock also will be fetched uh, in a eager way. And the other way is the lazy is what is like whenever we try to fetch the product, and as soon as we try to access the stock entity, like if we are trying to build a DTO, and it will be lazily loaded from the database. Okay, so there are only two options are there, and this is the stock entity. So here you can see only stock quantity and stock status, and stock status is an enum. Okay, and we can specify the enum. So enum is in stock and out of stock. Only two things are there, and this is the table. Okay, and this is the repository, product repository, nothing I have specified. Stock repository, nothing I have specified. We'll be using JPA inbuilt methods. Okay, and these are the controller and DTO. I will be explaining how we have done it. And this is the products controller, add product, and I'm using a DTO like product name, product price, stock quantity, and stock status. Here you can see I'm creating a product as well as the stock here, and I'm and here the in a product service, this is a create product. Okay, so I'm creating a product object. I'm setting the product name and the product price, and I'm creating a stock object. So here I'm keeping the stock quantity and the stock status, and on the product I'm setting the set stock is equal to stock object, and then the save method. Okay, and in case of an get product find all product, what I'm doing is, first of all, I'm doing here find all, and it will return an list of objects, list of products. Okay, and here you can see this list of, it will return the products because it is a product repository. Okay, and since we should not return the entity uh, on the user end, so we have created one DTO response. So here I have JSON property of product response DTO. Product response, I have ID, product, and product price. And in the stock response, I have stock quantity and stock status. Okay, and let's go back here. And here, based on the product, here I'm populating this object. I'm creating it here. Product with response in the product response DTO. This is the first, and this is the stock detail I'm setting up here. And finally I'm doing a collection dot collector dot to list, and this is how it is returning. And same find by product ID, it is like it will be one only, and it is returning this one. Okay, and that is very simple. And this is the product controller, this is product by ID. And now let's see from the Postman how it works. Let me start the server. Okay, the server, I have already started it, it is running. And now let's see from the Postman. Okay, now let me show you the first table first, then we will jump into the Postman. So this is the product table, and we can see here product name, product price, and stock ID, whatever I have explained, and it is empty. And this is the stock table. Okay, stock quantity and stock status, and the product, it is empty. Okay, nothing is there. In products also it is empty. Okay, both the table are empty. Now let's go to Postman and see. So this is the product. Okay, and first we will create a product, and here we'll create a charger. Product price is 130, stock quantity, and it is in stock. Okay, and we can see it is returning a 6. Okay, because and we will refresh it. Okay, stock, I got it. Okay, charger, it is created. Okay, and stock ID, it is pointing to stock 6. Let's create some more. We have created one more. Okay, so we have created 3 products. Okay, and now let's get all. This is the get method, and we'll see how it is responding. Okay, here you can see I have shown in the DTO, it has 2 uh, tags or JSON. We can see products is a charger, product price is 130, and it is related to stock 6, stock quantity 250 in stock, product 7 laptop, and and finally it is a keyboard. So this is how it is returning it. Okay, and if we do by get by id, and the id is like a 6 is the one, I think 678. 6 is the charger, so get by id also works properly. And we can see here how the queries also are visible here because I have enabled it. Okay, and this is the select queries you can see here. Okay, and if we do from if we want to search something from the stock side, uh, like get stock from the id, it won't. Okay, it is not yet implemented it, but it won't work. It will only fetch only the stock information but not the product information, because we cannot navigate anything from the stock side. It will only show the stock id, stock quantity, and the stock status, and nothing more than that. Okay, and this you can see here, I have, that's why I have created only product service just to show. And yes, so that is all about Spring JPA one-to-one unidirectional mapping, and it is pretty simple, and it is very straightforward thing, nothing much to do. And in my next video I am going to explain one-to-one bidirectional mapping. Okay, so from either end, means like from the stock side also we should be able to navigate on the products, means like yes, on the product side. Okay, and from the product side, obviously one-to-one mapping is already existing. And on the next video we'll see how uh, we will configure one-to-one bidirectional mapping. Okay, so with this I'm trying to end my video. If you do like, please subscribe and do share and like the video. Okay, thank you for watching my video. See you on the next video.